So here we are. Everybody recognizes the photo from Brandon Burleson, NC1, posting my winter photo. This is the summer photo. It's actually stunning here in Pennsylvania. Um, we are in a massive thunderstorm. That's what it looks like. It looks like a tornado getting ready to come down. You see, the storm is massive, and the thunder and lightning everywhere around us. This is one of my favorite things. I post crazy shit on Facebook and YouTube. But this is what I like doing. I love photography. When I sent this photo that I had taken to Brandon Burleson, didn't know he was going to pretend and make believe for you women. I'm sorry. That photo of the winner in Portland, Oregon that he pretended is actually Pennsylvania. Stroudsburg to be exact. And there is a photo that I took that night when we had our first snow. As you see, that cloud is rolling. It is massive. Nothing would surprise me if a tornado didn't come out of there. Even though with all the trees that we still do have here in Pennsylvania, we've had tornadoes before. It's because they just don't stop cutting our trees down, and as long as they do it, we are receiving tornadoes, something I've never, and I've lived here a very long time, seen before, as much as in the past 20 or 30 years. But as you see, like I said, that storm is huge.